So I've had lots of requests for a marbling tutorial. I've already done 2 coats of N31 by the gel bottle, and now I'm using their blooming gel. You do a thin coat of this for best results. So your marbling isn't too harsh and your lines disperse better, use a grey. I think this is shadow, I can't remember. That's terrible, isn't it? I've just done a few lines here. Don't go overboard. You can always add more, but it's really hard to take away, obviously. Here I'm just going in with my brush again and just pushing that gel out. I've not cured it or anything yet. This is just still using the blooming gel, letting it disperse nicely. Once you're happy with how that's gone, you can just freeze cure that and then go in with a little bit of black or whatever colour marbling you're doing, the darker colour of the two. Just doing really fine lines. Once that's cured, I tend to do 30 seconds if I'm putting foil on, and then I'll do another 30. Just press your foil wherever you want. I'm using a rose gold here. I think this is from eBay. Once you've cured that, top it off with your extreme shine and voila. How gorgeous is that?